Hi, welcome to Eat, Pray, Love and Tarot. Today is Bhut Chaturdashi. Bhut is past. So on this day, we light 14 diyas to lighten up the path for our 14 generations of ancestors. Also today is Mashik Shivratri. So I have just done my second Prahar Puja. Generally, I don't do this readings in between my pujas, but I don't know why I felt this pull towards the cards, as if your ancestors want me to do a reading for you, for my collectives who will be watching this video today. So the mics are all over. It's Kali Puja, Diwali, but still, if the universe and your ancestors want, I have to do it. So let's see what your ancestors want to convey to you on this Bhut Chaturdashi. Let's do a reading. A collective reading. So take what resonates, leave the rest. Also a genderless reading because energies don't have any gender. And a timeless reading. So from this Bhut Chaturdashi till the next Bhut Chaturdashi, anytime you see this on your feed, it will resonate with you. So let's start. What your इतना जल्दी? Okay. 7 of Wands. I think I am reading for a collective whose boundaries have been threatened, or who have lowered their boundaries for low vibrational people, and now it's creating a mess in their life. They are facing too many challenges where now they have to prove themselves that they were right. There are too many adversities around you. I'm feeling I'm reading for a collective who are literally struggling. अच्छा करने गए थे पर अभी आपके साथ बुरा हो रहा है. जिसके साथ अच्छा करने गए थे वो तो निकल लिए, आप फंसे बैठे हो. You are feeling as if आपके सारा good karmas उसको मिल गया है and that person's bad karmas you are suffering from. पर ऐसा नहीं है. Let's see what else your ancestors have for you. Not so many cards. Okay. Wow. Queen of Swords, Page of Cups and the Sun. Queen of Swords. So your ancestors are saying it's time to rebuild your boundaries. Don't take any bullshit from anyone. Don't lower your boundaries again. I think this has been happening again and again. You have always gone out of your way to help people who had just taken advantage of you. Rather, it's like you have tried to pull someone up from a quicksand. वो लोग बाहर आ गए और आपको वो quicksand में ढकेल दिए, and you now feel like drowning. But now it's time to up your boundaries again, to gain clarity of the situation, to gain your power back, to regain your power, reclaim your power, to call back your energy. It's time for judgment. It's time for judgment. So think logically. And then there is this Page of Cups. So definitely, there is a need for you to look at things from a different perspective. What you thought is working for you is actually going against you. I don't know what that means. The right collective will know that. This message is for some specific collectives. आप जैसा सोच रहे हो, the way you are dealing with situations, especially relationships and matters of emotions, that is not serving you. You need to change your perspective. Okay, and there is some You know, I also think that there is a lot of gossip and slandering going around you. लोग कुछ ज़्यादा ही उत्सुक है आपके लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है ये जानने के लिए. Too much curiosity around you. But be the Queen of Swords. And now your ancestors are saying with the Sun card, it's the one of the most positive cards of the deck. Of course, all cards are positive, but Sun card, Sun, it comes with the promises of joy, success, recovery from health issues, and it brings good fortune, and it's a wish fulfillment card. सब कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है आपके साथ. Maybe you are thinking, oh shit, here is another tarot reader sitting and saying bullshit. If you believe so, this reading is not for you. But the right collective will be able to resonate. अभी शायद आपको लग रहा है your entire world is coming crumbling down, but trust me, this is just, you are just under construction. You are being rebuilt in ways that will serve you the best, that will be for your highest good. This is no bullshit. जिसके लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, जिसके लिए मैं रीड कर रही हूँ, वो लोग ये समझ पाएंगे मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ और क्यों बोल रही हूँ. I think there is a child, ये जो child है, I think there is a childhood trauma, unhealed childhood trauma, जिसके कारण ही आप ये बार बार आपके बाउंड्रीज का वायलेशन होता है, आपके इमोशंस के साथ खेला जाता है, आप वल्नरेबल हो जाते हो, एक ही पैटर्न, एक ही टॉक्सिक पैटर्न रिपीट करते रहते हो. With this Sun card, your ancestors, it's an ancestral reading. So अगर ancestral reading में ये बच्चे का कार्ड आ रहा है, that means you will be healed of your childhood trauma. All the darkness will be replaced by the sun, with sunlight, with joy, with vitality. Since like I told you that this is a card of recovery, so obviously the childhood trauma will be healed. You will be healed. Your ancestors are working behind your back. अभी आपको दिखाई शायद नहीं दे रहा है. Let's take a few more cards. Okay. Tower की बात आई. I told you your entire world is coming tumbling. You feel like it's crumbling. Your entire world is crumbling down. Nothing is working in your favor. जहाँ भी आप जा रहे हो, hostility face कर रहे हो. There is stagnation everywhere. Nothing is working in your favor. It's shit all around you. You are feeling like that. But this star moment, see, this is ये जो फाड़ के निकल रहा है, the crown chakra opening. You are awakening. आप में awakening हो रहा है. You are getting spiritually more powerful. This star moment is just the destruction of all that relationships, anything and everything that is no longer serving you, so that एक नया शुरुआत इसमें हो सकता है. Again, Hanged Man. Like I told you, आपको ऐसा लग रहा है, my God, cards talk. But I was just randomly telling you, intuitively telling you whatever is coming, and the cards are also aligning with my thoughts. I think मेरे आज के collective बहुत ही high energy people हैं, spiritually very charged people. So yeah, so that's why the cards are picking their energy so fast and so accurately. So yes, आपको अभी लग रहा है कि आप एक hangman situation में हो, nothing good is going to happen. But like I said, see, there is a halo around the hangman's head. So this halo is a reminder. It's a reminder कि नहीं, this is not your permanent situation. You are gaining clarity. You are spiritually awakening. Also, when we hang up upside down, we get a new perspective of life. कहाँ गया वो कार्ड? या पेज ऑफ कप्स में भी यही कहा गया है ना कि चेंज ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो यस, ये जो टार मोमेंट आया है, ये कहाँ गया, ये जो टार मोमेंट आया है, ये इसलिए आया है सो दैट आप अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज कर सको और वो देख सको जो आपको देखना चाहिए. I'll take a few more cards. Perfect. Justice will be served. I don't know why I feel that 2025 will be the year for you. major changes are going to come your way, and every major thing is going to work in your favor. I think you are the moon card. Too much mental turmoil that you are suffering in, too many illusions, overthinking, anxiety, stress. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि बस दिमाग में एक there is a block in your head, there is a block in your mind, heart, and there is a block in your life. But with this judgment के नीचे judgment came over this moon card. So जो आप अभी सफ़र कर रहे हो उसको उसको ओवरलैप करके ये जस्टिस का कार्ड आया है. सो आपको जजमेंट मिलेगी. जो भी आप द फेयरेस्ट विल ऑफ द डिसीजंस विल बी मेड इन योर फेवर. अगर आप सफ़र कर रहे हो, ये सफरिंग अभी रहने वाली ज़्यादा दिन नहीं है. द हेरोफेंट, किसी की शादी हो सकती है नेक्स्ट ईयर, और कोई हायर स्टडीज़ के लिए नेक्स्ट ईयर जा सकते हो आप लोग. दैट विल ओपन अ न्यू डायमेंशन ऑफ लाइफ फॉर यू. इफ़ यू आर समवन हु इज़ लुकिंग फॉर, अभी आपको हेल्प मिलना शुरू होगा. साउंड एडवाइस विल कम योर वे. अगर आप लोग कोई स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी में और गुरु ढूंढ रहे हो, दैट्स माई डॉग्स. ये जो फायर क्रैकर्स, ये जो चॉकलेट बॉम्ब्स एंड ऑल दैट, ये जो फट रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अफेक्टिंग देम. बट क्या करें, बैन होने के बावजूद भी ये फटते रहते हैं. सो एनीवे, प्लीज इग्नोर देम. दे आर already they are anxious. So after this I'll just go to them and calm them down. So with the Hierophant, I think there is also a possibility, like I was mentioning, अगर आप स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी पे हो तो आपको आपकी गुरु मिल सकती है. आप अगर गुरु ढूंढ रहे हो तो आपको वो गुरु मिल जाएगा, या फिर जो भी आप ढूंढ रहे हो आपको रास्ता मिलेगा, एडवाइस मिलेगी, सपोर्ट मिलेगा फ्रॉम ऑल स्फीयर्स. बट एट द सेम टाइम बी वेरी केयरफुल. ये हेरोफेंट का कार्ड थोड़ा कान का कच्चा भी है. इजीली इन्फ्लुएंस, डोंट गेट इजीली इन्फ्लुएंस, डोंट ट्रस्ट एनीवन ब्लाइंडली, डोंट लेट एनीवन इमोशनली मैनिपुलेट यू, बी अ लिटिल स्ट्रिक्ट, बाउंड्रीज. अगेन द क्वीन ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स. कार्ड उल्टा कैसे हो गया? अरे ऑल कार्ड्स उल्टा हो गया. वेट, या नाउ इट्स ओके. I'll take 2 more cards. Not so many. I'm not going to take so many cards. I think आप थोड़ा इमोशनली vulnerable हो रहे हो, शायद थोड़ा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड भी हो आज. Emperor. Emperor, again another major arcana. So बी केयरफुल ऑफ मैनिपुलेटिव फ्रेंड्स. कोई आपके लाइफ में है जो बहुत ही स्टबर्न है, बहुत ही इगोइस्टिक है. शायद आपसे उम्र में बड़े हो सकते हैं. मे बी देयर इज़ अ ह्यूज एज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द 2 ऑफ यू, जिसने आपकी लाइफ का झंड बना दिया है. सो बट विद द जस्टिस कार्ड, स्टेबिलिटी इन योर लाइफ इज गोइंग टू रिटर्न. देयर विल बी सिक्योरिटी, देयर विल बी स्टेबिलिटी, एंड again a card of boundary. You will be able to set up your boundaries, but just be careful of manipulative friends. 2 बार ये मैनिपुलेशन का कार्ड आया, हेरोफेंट एंड एम्परर. दोनों ही मेजर आर्कानाज हैं. तो you might be someone who is easily influenced. कान के कच्चे हो, या फिर आपके आसपास के लोग they are a little कान का कच्चा. तो मे बी आपके लाइफ में बहुत कुछ बुरा हुआ उसकी वजह से. हर्मिट, टाइम टू गो विद इन. अभी लोगों के सामने जाके मेरे साथ कितना बुरा हुआ है, मुझे न्याय चाहिए मत करो. कोई आपका कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. नो वन इज गोइंग टू डू. इट्स ऑल अबाउट डिवाइन टाइमिंग, डिवाइन इंटरवेंशन. लाइक हेरोफेंट के कार्ड के साथ मैंने कहा कि आपको मदद मिलेगी, बट द टाइम लाइन इज 21 अप्रैल to 20th May. उससे पहले नो नेक्स्ट ईयर दैट इज. सो नो वन इज गोइंग टू, no one can help you out, but this is the time frame jahan everything you will get the support and help that you are looking for. So it's time to go within. Akele raho, withdraw yourself from society and people. Just be yourself, introspect, embark on a journey within. जितना खुद के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करोगे, जितना खुद को जानोगे, it will be better for you. And of course, below the hermit is the Ten of Pentacles. When you will be completing this journey of hermit, when you will be done with the journey within, this Ten of Pentacles life is waiting for you. There will be fulfillment, there will be completion, there will be stability. Pentacles is not just a card for material benefits, it is also a card of stability. So of course, financial, social recognition आपको मिलेगी, financial stability मिलेगी. You will get what a person needs to set up a stable and happy life. So there will be happiness. एक jump करके यहाँ गया. Page of Wands. So definitely there will be new opportunities coming your way. जिसके अगर there is some passion that you always wanted to follow, that some projects that you were always passionate about, so that new opportunities will be placed to you. And the last card, Ten of Pentacles, इसके साथ Ten of Cups का भी कार्ड आया है. Ten of Cups again, it's bliss, a bliss of family life, a bliss of happiness, joy, peace. It's again a wish fulfillment cup. इसमें सब कुछ है. It's divine. It's like divine blessings. So I close this reading with this card, this Ten of Pentacles. 10 is a number of completion. So with the Ten of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles, I close this reading because that is all your ancestors wanted to tell you. Trust the process. बस कुछ ही दिनों की बात है. Your ancestors are with you. The universe is conspiring in your favor. The ancestors, your ancestors, are making the universe work in your favor. So have faith. Keep working on yourself and everything will be fine. That's it for today. I'll go back to my puja and all that. Thank you. Bye.